Hello, another year is about to start, and before you rush into 100 motivational videos, I want you to give me a few minutes because I want you to pause and ask yourself one uncomfortable question. Has anything actually changed in 2025, or did you just survive another year? In fact, most people have ineffective years because they repeat the same habits every year and expect a different life to appear. And unfortunately, time doesn't stop, age increases, but nothing moves forward. If you want 2026 to look nothing like your past, you need honesty, structure, and courage. So let's start there. Number one, get brutally honest about where you are. Not where you could be, not where you should be, not where you tell people you are, but where you actually are. Stop exaggerating your progress, stop pretending you're okay, stop hiding behind the famous sentence, I'm still figuring things out. You cannot fix what you keep lying about. If your finances are messy, say it. If your discipline is weak, admit it. If you're lost, confused, or stuck, accept it and own it. The moment you stop lying to yourself, your life finally gets a direction. Number two, pick one skill and go all in. Not 10, not 7, just one. The world doesn't reward confused hustlers, it rewards people who chose something and stayed. Find a skill that has real value, something people will pay for, something that compounds with effort, and then commit to it long enough. Bleed for it, get bored with it, get frustrated with it, stay and grow old with it. Because income doesn't come from talent, it comes from focus sustained over time. One skill mastered can change your entire life. Number three, build a budget and treat it like law. There's a funny thing about money. Money doesn't disappear, it leaks. And most people don't struggle financially because they earn too little. They struggle because they never build a structure to it. Guessing leads to stress, and a proper structure leads to freedom. Track what you spend and plan what you save. And remember this, if you save too much, you'll burn out. And if you spend too much, you'll burn yourself. Money respects a strictly followed budget. And number four, cut off environments that drain your ambition. You cannot rise in a circle that normalizes comfort, gossip, and mediocrity. And not everyone who laughs with you wants to grow with you. And not everyone who laughs with you wants you to grow. Your environment will either build you or quietly bury you. So be careful. Number five, replace entertainment with education for a while. Not forever, just long enough to reset your mind. What you consume shapes how you think, and how you think shapes how you act, and how you act shapes your life. And right now, you might be spending hours watching other people live the life you want. So swap that with reading, learning, listening, and study. Spend less time escaping your reality and more time building the one you don't need to escape from. Number six, take your health seriously before life forces you to. Most people treat health like a background app until it crashes. So eat cleaner, sleep better, move your body, reduce unnecessary stress. Because everything you want, your work, your relationships, your wealth, depends a lot upon your physical health. Discipline in health is not just fashion, it's the respect you give for your future. And number seven, build a digital presence even if you're not ready. Visibility is leverage in 2026, and it will help you some way or the other. You don't need to be perfect, you don't need to sell anything, you don't need to know everything. You just need to start. And the internet is the greatest equalizer of this generation. Your voice can be your currency, your ideas can be your assets. So if you stay invisible, don't be surprised when the opportunities don't find you. Your 2026 doesn't need to be a dramatic transformation. Your 2026 needs the right direction. So be honest, be focused, build a structure, give better inputs, and build a strong environment. Do not aim to feel motivated, aim to build systems that carry you on days you feel nothing. Because the people who win are not special, they're just consistent in the right direction. Make 2026 the year you stop drifting and start moving on purpose. Wish you a very happy new year. Thank you for watching this video. Stay subscribed to the channel and share it with one friend who needs this.